Janet Nabla, TikTokers, any Ghana journalists, abe class with the state attorney general. How much then say only can Arrɛst John Mahama because no any father of corruption and sakura be chicha ma won't me eno bi awaka. Be ma nchire mu no akire wadwen ama me. E comment section. Hi Penyah block media. Mess was any dem. Obe like video don't have my subscribe button, some back click notification icon of latest updates. Na be chire wadwen ama me. E comment section so ba so. No share for any bi ahwe. And Pennyforce Crown House no expiry. Udi bonine, hey, 100 years, you can be investigated and you can be prosecuted. Ope di bonine, ebedi 12,000 years. Just here, cause you few. It's because of that, no. Attorney General, I say, case is a good now, so obey a state Attorney General in 2025, you know. Case is a good now, I say, emu kese a chama won't me. Any do go ahead. Emu kese chama won't me do go ahead. But won't me there wa better wa. Won't me a brew Attorney General Salvation will be a become don't know 5 way. Won't me a blue. So I feel pay trouble. I was a wound to be a timid talk. You thought champagne. Ah, the case you ever say, eh? Now you go to me, go wabble. Don't know be wabble. Would you wabble? And then now Attorney General, you could have a general case, you could have easy. Just as a chama won't meeting of a state Attorney General. I'm back here, Enra. You know. Attorney General have start another fresh case against Chama no James Exim Bank no want to me F4J invoice any receipt be any G's ka or no so they call or just
this year the Economic and Organized Crime Office arrested Chairman Wontumi on reasonable suspicion of the commission of a crime. Chairman Wontumi is a sole shareholder, director and chief executive officer of Wontumi Farms Limited. The arrest was pursuant to credible intelligence gathered by the EOCO that the company and its director and CEO, its directors and CEO were involved in a fraudulent transaction in connection with a purported loan facility granted by the Ghana Exim Bank under the Mining Alternative Livelihoods program of the bank. The program was designed by Exim Bank to provide alternative sources of livelihood for the youth in areas of the country affected by the phenomenon of illegal mining or galamsey. In doing so, the Exim Bank intended that the loans under the program would go to companies committed to ensuring the realization of the objectives of the initiative, especially in relation to job creation for young persons in mining communities. In December 2017, Wontumi Farms Limited submitted its application for a loan of 18 million Ghana cedis, purportedly to cultivate maize on 100,000 acre farmland and to employ the youth on the farm. At the time that the application was submitted by Wontumi Farms Limited, together with a purported board resolution, the company was not yet registered. In other words, it was not in existence. In short, the company did not exist at the time of the loan application by its sole shareholder and director. Investigations established that Wontumi Farms Limited was incorporated on December 14, 2017, and issued with a certificate to commence business on the same day. The principal business activities of the company, as stated in its corporate registration documents, are general farming, agribusiness, and agro-processing.
I tell you, I didn't intrimu. Eba say no started new case against Chama Wontumi. That's all. Cases here. A good the state Attorney General now so all him one. I say, ni nyina ye de fa past government officials no. Ni nyina say de fa wo mu ho. Former government officials. I say, but current yes who say Debbie investigation be am cause be but meta corruption scandal. Because be kai kwa na enche we bro video and I say mif boss corruption be cause one aso ye na media no abeye da bia but say ye hu case as investigation cause bia no betia dey say ye under previous government but this government no on the media so you could hear you could sense some corruption but ye say investigation be cause wo ho ne ade but corruption cases be as former appointees be na no Ana Janet Nabla, any TikTokers, any journalists, mu say there be. are they a state attorney general no or you too much na say per corrupt man be achina on free Mahama so you go say crime house no expiry say the chama won't me every ni galam say adwuma wajai na wa cover am na still you do call airborne say that time no go to galam say why the man the permit even that time na o kowura town no the new forest ni mu why the man the permit still you dey twin aboso no Gina Nabla chire say na Mahama first term no corruption scandal cause wo Ghana had no no katahisheni dream pro ya pe cause Ghana had no no Ghana na ehu bi da e say attorney general bi atene dia ne on ven free Mahama so oni kan chi Mahama ntum ansa kra na wo ko wi fro so
I'm a 24-hour economy no ebe left in hono wo dey 24-hour press conference anopa press conference area press conference and you make press conference ahome press conference what is this ayini what is this doc stop the press conference focus on the prosecution and give President Mahama and the Ghanaian public some proper results. It does not lie in your mouth. And maybe I make some gold be I make an uncle for time for be atemo. It does not lie in Ayini's mouth. Say you're guilty or not. Ghana constitution you must say. And for that matter, so constitution even their criminal jurisprudence rights on that the presumption of innocence. So Bia is innocent until proven guilty. Who the one no prosecute obi our Ghana? What are you adding? Law no the law lecture what be we move but stop letting the propaganda and the politics blind you. Stop.
Isn't it surprising that the Attorney General that has told Dr. Dufo to take over 2 billion of our money as part of 60-40% negotiation is chasing meager amount of money, making press conferences, accusing people. You see, the difference about this Attorney General is that he comes to organize a press conference and tells Ghanaians that the kind of evidence I have is shocking. We are tracking things, and if you see it, you'll be amazed. Already prosecuting you, pitching the person or the accused against Ghanaians, and that is very bad of him because these things are supposed to be done in the court of law, and he should go there and battle and stop the numerous press conferences.
That's the case. Share play loose to do. Yet one of Ibrahim Mahama, Edeni Amafa Port of Crana Wunchia, Merchant Bank or Kwaji loan of Honum when Chia and was not tall bank and the price account. What did we do? We just called him to come and pay Sikana or then in Amafa Port of Wunchia. Yanisha Yafana Kokotumpo. Yet one and Crawford, you don't want to call Jina Cosa Gleman and Corner Buffer by way by Wabitram. Ebimo de also Munchiescan, or Chemukra Mumu Biso Munchia, Circle Munchiampa, who knows. Initially, I'm such a wound to me upon time, mine upon time. I fed a who yan say a coning fuso. And yet, one young crow funny because I am mode. Hey, what is wrong with us? Yet, your sentiment, we invest of education, Kumasa campus. Na a share Winnie Bassin as a say Mudeum. And yet, dinner to a yapia minkan. Ya tram and crow for where Baba change dinner say. And I yet to honor your look on concern. I fake right there. Obino say I a dino. Just imagine that we are quiet.
Attorney General.
Yes.
Attorney General. Attorney General. OSP. Who say OSP legally? Lawyers they receive or say case because of the way I know you're not there. And government of the day so send no di guns, di cornifie, koye ready ni de keka ho. You can't have that in America. So in America, the Attorney General can. He doesn't want to let people know that it is as a result of their actions that will let them lose the case in America. On person on the attitude the John Mahama administration fire. That time now almost see Opheria almost share no more the guns need the account court. Essay cases be brave. And now we share treating the OSP ni trees and now press conferences are Attorney General press conferences. They are indicting a man who have never been tested in a court of competence jurisdiction. Now almost saying the America same way and debate because the people of America is law and order. Whether we are rich and now we are poor, you are all equal before the law. And you Ghana quarter we are be a yesikeni and the only sikani moko quarter Munyina equal before the law. In America, everyone is equal before the law. And the law is protecting the innocent. We share the course in American name say political persecution. See the political persecution. These are political persecutors. I mean NDC4 are almost buy into power. And the first thing they did, I don't know the personal problem on money Kenoforiata war. But we should accept you can see say a personal vendetta and at the NDC government did Kenoforiata chi. Musi try Kenoforiata. Oh, the lawyers to them say, oh, yari or abrochira or giarisa, sebia. Inti semu penwa. Ono ankasa ka kire mo metima ye Zoom meeting. Na questions now we pese won bisa me no na ma ka nyina. Where in our laws is it a violation? Say obi betima gina Zoom meeting na obey meeting. Wuti bi da. Say obi we be bisa me questions. One can say what arrest me. You said you are inviting me for questioning. And nipa kunu say okay. Metima ye Zoom. Questions now we pese won bisa me no. Metima answer questions no on Zoom. Who say there be you will not agree to Zoom. Now I call red line, light, and adding additional to Interpol. Say oh ye disin or ye way and the deke who the charade or mudi ye no. A say case in Nina because obia odi political lenses be free ho. Now odin only clear lenses especially at the no. Obe who say a political persecution. Enti mini who say it's not a matter of Attorney General. Lawyers ni ya akukudam and lawyers no omu ye great lawyers na wo pese ato Kenoforiata oko piki lawyer onko piki lawyer ben onko piki lawyer on timi defend no on piki lawyer obetima man disin on di obedi kuku minti asie kra se wo pese Kenoforiata beko ko fa lawyers omu ntimi mbuano. What type of this thing is this? So, lawyers are very decent. We share lawyers now. Into uncover lawyer here. A debate lawyer now person uncover. We any entitlement mentality on the part of NDC. Mintias you. Hey, into me lawyers to kura me make okofa no. Who can say okofa lawyer we? When him say sikana omuka say Kenoforiata we any 1 billion. Minu kazan. The almost say yesika, the OSP say yesika, the Attorney General yet press conferences say my nya ahuto a kromha. The almost yenin I wouldn't say 1 billion. The alleged money is 1.4 billion. Can this in
cedis or dollars?
Dollars.
Okay.
No, cedis. Okay. Ghana cedis 1.4 billion Ghana cedis, not dollars.
Okay.
And I wish Collins Dawood and $200 million dollars mismanagement now, which I bet about 3 point something. Enti wusha jomo ye nyina de ye me yene se munim se Attorney General baye be ma Muankasa the first Mahama's administration nipa mo musisa ye mismanaging ye resources. As a result of them, kolebu for a nipa bebre wuye wo kolebu mini wu kese lot of people are ankasikani beti mabua entimi mbo because first the time now ye vote ma President Mahama no na appointees no they mismanage this country to the tune of 10 point something billion Ghana cedis mini wu kese ene masa be o ma vote amamu a wo ba ya mo hweso na mo ye mo djuma o mo sori a gbegbegbegbegbegbe ena obi akoko fatika ena si nipa mu nim se 10 billion Ghana cedis kita President Mahama eni ne appointees so President Mahama say awu appointees na wo ma Attorney General koma mo nolly prosecute no anka Attorney General ma mo nolly prosecute say mo ye party nipa Inti mumu disi ka Ghana sikeye na Ghana si Ghana ewo homa NDC fo obi a onye NDC ni obedi eksika bia ye be chini pakuna ma na hu bia because Ghana die omo bo Ghana say NDC ni die mu ba eba corruption a mu betima disi kanisa but obi obedi ni die ye die ni betu sa ni pakro no so sisi amini wu kese yi NDC fo pese omo nka kire say they are more Ghanaians than others when they cause financial loss to the state they will not be held accountable. Now we are obia we are PMP, MPP, CPP, and we are omu di omu ni betu so. Now we are NDC ni die. Now we disi ka manenko. Mine wu kese yi Auditor General's report. MDAs, ministries, departments, and agencies. they've caused mismanagement of resources to the tune of 18.4 billion Ghana cedis. What is say Attorney General can ask him? What is say Omuka ena omo ye what kura omo from the corruption crusaders. What is say Omuka sa? Oma ye kom minti Manase Azure no voice our same way amini wo kese so. Me bisa me hu say me ti say Manase Azure say oh public should get up and make noise. Manase Azure ye noise so. Noise na ekosu no ye NDC ni omo extension for na yes noise no. Me want me like you are owing Ghana 10 point something billion Ghana cedis. Mususu na di kai ba ye. Ese se mun yendi mo chi na muntua. Ansa na yes aba APP phone so chain. Wo de wakwa kwatena sisisi a wo nya hwi. Manase Azure wo hu ye wo. Sa 10 billion and over now the first Mahama's administration for bedi ye no. Manase Azure hwe ontimi hu omo. Enu de onka ne kasa eye keno for that 1 billion no hu ya o si Ghana for mun sorry o obi di etika o yen sorry bia Manase yen sorry muni NDC for yen sorry hwe asema ye kase yi these people are not here to protect the coffers of Ghana because anka omo pese omo protect Ghana's coffers. What is say Auditor General the information barrier o see this NSS scandal. It's not this time alone. By previous years, they have been doing it. So government hand over the accounts to the Accountants General Department so that it will help in reducing this corruption rate. What he said, Manase Azure, sorry, Okachire government said, do what the Auditor General has said. Have you heard that? They are not interested in helping Ghana. But media, prevention is better than to cure.
Okay.
Manase Azure, open your eyes. Lithium deal. The president has come up with a lithium deal that is not good at all. It's very bad. Say, omuka about corruption. How can NDC be talking to us about corruption? Lithium price na $800 and $610 na is it Barali? Barali for catch say. Even though lithium price is about $800, and now you be mamu 10%, na your profit margin be 20%. Is that okay with you? And I see you. And this is for sorry, almost say there be a corruption. Ma obi andi MPP for you corrupt. Almost you very corrupt. And I see amaba Ghana for say no kure ye vote mu out. Oma vote mu out, I vote mu in. Mini wo kase yi now. A lithium price is now 1,200, and NDC people are saying that we should pay 5% for that. Listen to what they are saying, no, 5%. So don't you think that under the ground they have shared it among themselves? Their deed is equals to Barali. This is what you should take. The rest of the party will take this. You think it's nothing? No. Then they co-opt CSOs into it. That we went and told. How many CSOs do we have in this country? Okay. To me, Janet Asana Nabla, not CSO is speaking on my behalf. Right. If you want to solicit our advice, go to town councils and sit in town councils and talk about your deliberations, not CSOs.
All right, but I say.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!